pictures of what I see, and I'm telling you, we're lost if this goes like you're saying, because they can't even figure out how to get power on to one person in 30 days. Literally, they're all lost. The guy didn't even talk to me. I had a plan. I really did. The pictures here and everything I'm adding, I'll tell you the plan at the end. You see all the pictures and the handwritten thing, and that should be sideways when you view it or whatever. I may turn it sideways, give you two pictures of the thing, the right way, upside down and sideways. The plan I had was pay me some money, like $6,000-7,000. Let me go to another lot. Let me clean up the thing. Give me enough to get a darn smasher, strip the trailer, and move the shed, and live in the camper in this trailer park. You're not going to lose me. Just abandon the sites. Really. I mean, they don't have one good site where I can put my camper and have electric and live. Really. I mean, they're that dumb? Really. I mean, it involved a dumpster and a smashing machine. Really. That was my plan. Just strip the trailer of everything. I'm 64 years old, and this is what you want the guy to go through? Really? I mean, how dumb are these people? If I get paid from my insurance company, they're going to get sued because they mistreated me. Really? They already have record of said tree not being on my lot now. They defrauded me. Really. They defrauded the insurance company before. Really. I love it. Plus, I live in a township that has trailer park inspections. How the hell did this really happen? Really. I mean, I should have been fried and had my place burned to the ground. I'm really pissed. Thank you. Watch it.